Alright, these are the elevators.
Alright, I'm gonna get my camera started. We have a trio going on. Ooh, it's cold in here. Alright, we're at the Northgate Garage at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. We've got some 1980s Dover Impulse. Look at this layout. Oh, it just wants to shut. Nice one, Dover.
Yeah.
Look at this interesting floor layout.
I know.
Never seen this before.
Well, these are traction.
Let's travel 350 feet per minute from the looks of it. This thing's fast.
Well, that is a cool floor layout.
Check
You're
this
right.
out. It's got the old bumper. Look at this door close button. You see how they you don't hear the clicks.
Oh, whoa, wee!
Oh, I just pressed the wrong floor. I pressed 4.
Oh, that's all right.
I think we're about to pick someone up. I'm gonna take it for another ride. Maybe not then.
I'm gonna look at the indicator now.
Look at this. See, look at this door close button. They feel way different. This one, you hear the click, but this one, you don't. This is how 80s Impulse are. Alright, let's go back down to 1. I've never seen this layout before. Look at that.
I know it's a nice layout.
Normally the 1 would be there and then the top 4 would be there. There's your no phone in there. Door close button does not work. Bobby has filmed these before. We get a great view to the campus. I guess I'm going to take this for one more ride. The door close button does not work. We're on this side now. That's a great view into the campus you see right there. See, look. Who wants to send it down to the first floor?
Alright, let's get off at 1.
This is a nice elevator.
Yeah, I know.
It's not busy, which is surprisingly good.
Yeah.
Very fast. Let's see if the door will close on someone. Oh, there it goes. Lovely.
And that's it.